Hi and welcome to AKS Tutorials. On this video, we will cover how to log into your account overview, and managing your account. So, how do you log in? To log in, go to the upper right corner and click on Login. When you see the username and password entry field, please use the username and password you created during registration. If you have forgotten your password, no worries. Use Forgot Your Password link and enter your email address to receive a temporary password. You will need to remember your username. In case you cannot remember it, use our search tool to select Users and look for your username. If there is a match, you may retrieve your username and profile. Once logged in, you are able to see your account overview. Here, you will find the questions you've asked and answered, questions you're watching, questions asked directly to you, your tag subscriptions, and tag rankings. In this section, you will also find Refer a Friend near the popular tag. You can refer up to 10 friends and earn points. Another way to accumulate points is by participating. Questions in which you are participating will receive points and be ranked. Your points can be redeemed to obtain ABB rewards. To see your point summary, click on your username and select Point Summary. Our Point Summary section shows you how many points you have earned and how to earn more by providing a detailed point system. If you would like to make changes to your account, you can go to Edit Profile by clicking on your username. Edit Profile allows you to edit your image, make changes to your personal information, and include more information about you. Other AKS members will be able to see your information. Thus, having a complete profile can serve as a great networking opportunity. When you click on your username, you will also see the notification settings, where you will be able to modify your preferences. You can decide whether you would like other users to ask you questions directly, and also edit your email notifications regarding your questions and comments, ratings, and updates on apps you are watching on the web page. By default, all email notifications are enabled to get your active participation. To make changes on your account, click on your username and select Account Settings. In this section, you can add another email account and also change your password. May you have any further questions, please refer to our help link at the bottom of the page. Happy AKSing!